In today's video, I'm going to show you how to clear cache in Chrome for one site without wiping everything else from your browser. This is a super useful trick when a single website is loading old content, not showing updates, or acting strangely while the rest of Chrome is working just fine. Instead of clearing your entire browser cache, which can log you out of other sites and remove saved data you may still need, you can refresh just one site in a much cleaner way. If this video helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials. Alright, let's get into it. First, open the website you want to fix in Chrome. This should be the exact site that's giving you trouble, because the cache refresh method we're using will only affect that page. Once the site is open, press F12 on your keyboard to open Chrome Developer Tools. If F12 doesn't work on your device, you can also right-click anywhere on the page and choose Inspect, but F12 is usually the fastest method. Now here's the important part. Keep DevTools open. Do not close it after opening, because Chrome only applies this cache bypass method while Developer Tools is active. Next, click on the Network tab inside DevTools. This tab controls how the browser loads page resources, and it's the key to refreshing the site without using the old cached files. Inside the Network tab, look for the option that says Disable Cache, and tick that box. When this is enabled, Chrome will stop using cached files for that page while Developer Tools remains open. That means the browser will be forced to request fresh data directly from the website instead of loading older stored versions. After that, go back to the page and press Ctrl+R to refresh it. You can also use the refresh button in Chrome, but Ctrl+R is the quickest way to reload the site. Once the page refreshes, Chrome will fetch fresh content for that one website, which often fixes display issues, login problems, or changes that weren't showing up before. This is one of the easiest ways to clear cache for a single site in Chrome without doing a full browser cleanup. If the site still looks outdated, you can repeat the refresh once or twice while keeping DevTools open and Disable Cache checked. In many cases, that's enough to force Chrome to pull the latest version of the page. And just to be clear, once you close DevTools or uncheck Disable Cache, Chrome goes back to using cache normally, so this is a temporary, safe, and very targeted way to troubleshoot a single website. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more quick browser fixes and tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.